starting a business is very, very tasking. And one of the mistakes that we make is that we put our entire self into the business. We don't take time to exercise. It's very simple as that. We don't take time to exercise. And, if you don't exercise, if you don't, whatever your choice of exercise is, you're just putting yourself, your business, your family in jeopardy. Starting a business does not mean, or being a business owner does not mean that you shouldn't take time for yourself. It doesn't mean that you shouldn't give yourself that love. Even Jesus Christ said that you must love your neighbor as you love yourself, right? So if you're providing services to your neighbor and you are showing that type of love to your neighbor, then what type of love are you showing to yourself? Because the benchmark of the type of love you give your neighbor is first shown in how much you love yourself. This is not to say that we must love yourself. We must love yourself at the detriment of other people. It's telling us to have a balance. But the point I'm making is that even as a business owner, and you're trying to do everything for your family, provide, and all that, you're a better business owner when you work out, when you exercise, when you give some time to build in your physical being. And the thing about exercising is that I realized that it gives you the time to also think and be creative. Somehow, some hormones are released whilst you exercise, and you get this aha moment. I just came from, I was supposed to run, but I ended up walking because I've taken a break from running because I've been busy doing business, and I realized I was doing a harm to myself. So I started running again. For those of you who know me, you know that I like to run. And I just want to encourage you, Mr. Business Owner, Madam Business Owner, don't be so busy doing business and not giving time to yourself, okay? Just an encouragement to you. I hope this helps you. It's a Saturday, go for a walk, do something, and I'm sure it will help you. See you around.